Now, on the 20th of September 2018, in a flat in Phoenix, an area in Durban, a woman by the name of Jane and her two daughters, Denisha, who was 22 at the time, and Norakele, who was 16 at the time, were brutally unalived in their own home. My name is Alokwan, and this is the story behind the crime. Now, Colin Pillay allegedly had an extramarital affair with Jane. By 2018, their relationship went south. Authorities say that Colin believed that Jane was seeing someone else and that his jealousy and his rage led to him unaliving his family. According to court findings, the two daughters were unalived first, and it was reported that they were strangled. And then the mother, when she returned from home, that's when she was also unalived. Denisha, who was only 22 at the time, her body was hidden in a wardrobe and she was found unalived, and she had stab wounds on her neck. And the other two, which is Jane and Norakela, who was only 16 years old at the time, were also found unalived, and it is alleged it was through strangulation. Now, the state also presented a mountain of evidence that proved guilt beyond reasonable doubt, and key elements included DNA evidence. Now, this was blood from one of the victims, which was found on Colin's jeans, including DNA matching the youngest daughter, who was only 16 years old, and also CCTV footages. Now, there was a video showing Pillay discarding a knife near the crime scene and wiping it before throwing it away. It was alleged that that knife was the weapon that was used, and also forensic evidence and injury evidence. As the victims had defensive wounds, Pillay had cuts and scratches on his hands consistent with a struggle. And also there were text messages indicating Pillay was upset over Jane possibly seeing someone else. Now, this supported motive and showed relationship breakdown. Now, Colin's alibi was that he was gambling, and that was rejected by the judge. His explanation of finding the knife on the road was seen as damning. In October 2019, Colin was sentenced to 3 life sentences: justice for Jane, justice for Denisha, and justice for Rakila. Plus, he was also given an additional 3-year sentence for theft. Now, the judge described the act of Colin as cruel with a total disregard for life. The sentence was welcomed by authorities as a potential deterrent against violence towards women and children. Now, this case was a horrific intimate partner tragedy. A lover turned to be a murderer, unaliving a woman and her children.